Let's take a look at how incompatible tasks are shown in the configuration cache report. In this build, we have 3 tasks. The first one is incompatible because it uses the project object at execution time. The second one is also incompatible for the same reason, but it declares itself as not compatible using the not compatible with configuration cache API. Finally, a third one declares itself as incompatible, but is not effectively incompatible. Let's install Gradle 8.10 and take a look at the configuration cache report that's generated for this build. So in Gradle 8.10, in addition to any problems encountered while running the requested tasks with the configuration cache enabled, you see now a new tab that lists all tasks that were declared as incompatible. Alongside each task, we also include the reason why the task was declared incompatible. Another improvement to the configuration cache is that the reason for a configuration cache miss, which was before only presented in the console output, is now included in the report itself.